Introduction. In a world confronting the formidable challenges of climate change and the consequent disruptions to traditional outdoor agriculture, there is an increasingly urgent need for innovative solutions that ensure a consistent supply of fresh, locally sourced produce. Indoor food gardening, especially during the colder months, has emerged as a promising alternative, offering a plethora of advantages for individuals, communities, and the environment alike. Section 1. Benefits of indoor food gardening. Year-round access to fresh produce. The most prominent benefit of indoor gardening lies in its capacity to provide access to fresh, organic food throughout the entire year. Gone are the days when we were solely dependent on seasonal crops. Indoor gardening effectively abolishes our reliance on seasonal produce and the extensive transportation networks required to deliver it, thereby substantially reducing the carbon footprint associated with conventional farming. Food security. Indoor gardening significantly contributes to food security. It allows us to reduce our dependency on external food sources, making us less vulnerable to supply chain disruptions or natural disasters. An indoor garden can be a reliable and resilient source of sustenance in times of uncertainty. Reduced environmental impact. Another compelling reason to embrace indoor gardening is its environmentally friendly nature. This method consumes significantly fewer resources when compared to large-scale outdoor agriculture. With lower water usage, reduced pesticide application, and minimized fertilizer requirements, indoor gardening is a notable contributor to a more sustainable and eco-friendly food production system. Health benefits. Growing your own food indoors also offers a range of health benefits. It allows you to take control of the quality of your produce, ensuring that it is free from harmful chemicals and pesticides. Moreover, it promotes a healthier lifestyle by encouraging a diet rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Section 2. Methods of indoor food gardening. Container gardening. Container gardening represents a popular method for indoor food cultivation. It involves growing plants in pots, containers, or even vertical gardens, making it an excellent choice for those with limited space, such as apartment dwellers. A wide range of indoor crops, including herbs, tomatoes, peppers, and salad greens, can thrive in this setup. Hydroponics. Hydroponic systems are an exciting and efficient alternative to traditional soil-based gardening. By utilizing nutrient-rich water solutions instead of soil, hydroponics allows for precise control over plant nutrients and growth conditions. This results in faster growth and higher yields, making it particularly effective for cultivating leafy greens, herbs, and dwarf fruit trees. Aquaponics. For those seeking a holistic and integrated approach to food production, aquaponics is an enticing option. It merges hydroponics with aquaculture, utilizing fish waste to fertilize plants. This mutually beneficial system not only yields vegetables but also fish, creating a sustainable and self-sustaining food production cycle. Section 3. Practical tips for indoor food gardening. Light management. Indoor plants are dependent on light for photosynthesis. If natural light is limited, supplemental lighting, such as LED grow lights, can effectively compensate, ensuring your plants receive the light they need to flourish. Temperature and humidity control. Maintaining a stable environment is essential for indoor gardening success. Employ thermostats, heaters, and humidifiers as needed to create an optimal growing environment for your plants. Each plant type may have specific temperature and humidity preferences that should be catered to. Proper watering and nutrition. Overwatering and underfeeding are common pitfalls in indoor gardening. It's crucial to follow specific guidelines for each crop and diligently monitor moisture and nutrient levels. This ensures that your plants receive the right amount of water and nutrients to thrive. Pest and disease management. Indoor plants are not immune to pests and diseases. Implement preventive measures such as regular inspections, organic pest control, and maintaining proper sanitation to safeguard your indoor garden. Section 4. Conclusion. In conclusion, indoor food gardening during colder months is not just a practical solution but also a sustainable and eco-conscious choice. By embracing indoor gardening, you can enjoy year-round access to fresh, homegrown produce, contribute to food security, reduce your environmental impact, and foster a healthier lifestyle. It's time to take the plunge and bring the garden inside, regardless of the season. Closing thoughts. If you found this video informative and helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and leaving a comment below. Your feedback is invaluable to us, as it guides the creation of content that caters to your interests and questions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates on gardening, home decor, and a wide range of engaging topics. Subscribing keeps you connected with our vibrant community of plant enthusiasts and ensures you receive notifications whenever we release new and exciting content. Thank you for being an essential part of our channel, and let's continue to grow together, both as gardeners and as a thriving online community.